bersyukur nak keslem jong unongsan Hima.
Keslem di tiar jong ki kor ki bor ki bakat kum ka juk ka bamenta ya ka balatip kum ka iDESTINY Apple Store. Kala PLIE pat ba minta ka sngi ka khat sau tarik unai lur haslem trekam jong ka kebadan hakamala ka ba syatrai du jong ka RGP Complex harum jong ka goen ka Hyundai KEATING Road Shillong. Director jong ka iDESTINY Apple Authorized Reseller UVJ Dugar ula pentip bagani kalong ka slem trekam ka NYNGKONG HAPOH ka nongba Shillong bat HAPOH ka JYLLA Meghalaya baro ka way. Katong jong kani ka slem trekam kalong ban ai ka jing syakri ka bapaka ya ki pat ba ki bathit ya ki tiar jong ka brand Apple ka bakintop nado ki phone ki core computer laptop bat ki way bat ru bakila ban wan kelyang ya ki tiar barim jongki bat ban bujli da ki batmai Shisho la pentip ru ba HAPOH kani ka DUKAN an bodut ya baro ki tiar ki badon kam ki bedai bat ka brand Apple ka ba pensuk ya ki breu ban yo ya ki tiar la ongru ba kani ka DUKAN kala boru ya ki bre ki ba syampang ban batai ki nong thet bat ru ban batai pensyai ha ka bedai bat ka brand jong ka Apple la ki long ki no ki tiar ru ki pat ba ki ba kwa ban yo shisho ya ki jingtip ki ba khambnya ki la ban lech ka website jong ke www.idestiny.in lani phone bet hau number hendreu ar khandai RR san ar sao lai henyo
Shillong. We're happy to be here. It has been a very, very long time for us to come here. We've been wishing to be here for quite some time now. This store has taken us 4 years in the making, but we're finally here, and we're happy that we're at KEATING Road in Shillong, and this is your first iDESTINY store, your first Apple store in Meghalaya. And finally, customers of Shillong and Meghalaya will get the latest iPhone releases, the latest Mac releases on the day of the launch. We have iDESTINY in Guwahati for the last 4 years, and in fact our very first customer in Guwahati was from Shillong. He drove down, he spent the entire day and waited till 6 p.m. in the evening to get his phone. So I know the love that customers from Shillong have for Apple, and we're so happy to be here. We'll get the entire range of Apple products over here. Like I said, it's an exclusive Apple store. So when the new iPhone 15 launches next Friday, you can come here and you will get it on the day of the launch. We've seen in the last few years that customers drive down from Shillong on the day of the launch weekend and pick up their phones and come back to Shillong. So now they don't have to drive for 3 hours one way, go to Guwahati and 3 hours back. They'll get whatever they need right here in KEATING Road in Shillong. And all the offers etc. that run on Apple, all the devices in the Apple ecosystem will be available here, whether it's MacBook, iPad, Watch, AirPods, Apple Pencil, Apple accessories, whatever you need, everything will be available from the Apple world right here in Shillong for Shillong's first Apple store in KEATING Road in Shillong.